Alright, we're back for episode number 2 of Help Me Fix My Ugly Lawn. We are back at my buddy Trent's sister's house and her husband Steve. Now, the last time I was here, I measured out their system to see exactly what they need, and then of course I got the parts ordered so that we'd have everything that we need. We are going to retro this system from old pop-up fans, and there was a total of 108 total heads in this entire system for both front and backyard.
1588.
That is correct.
We are dropping that. All of these red flags, and I'm not sure how well this camera can pick them up, but there's a ton of them, are all heads that need to be capped, because now the technology has come to the point to where we can get the water delivered faster, we can get it delivered better, it can go farther. We don't need nearly as many materials as what this system required originally, but of course that technology was not available back then. But let's just do a quick example, a quick visual on exactly what all of these flags mean. Okay, so this bag represents one of these half-inch threaded caps that are going to go on the elbow that are connected to the funny pipe, but then insert into the bottom of the old spray heads. Each one of these represents one of the heads that we're capping off and we don't need anymore. So you got one for me and one for all my homies.
One for me, and one for my homies.
Now notice, Highlander fans, that I've capped off 4 while Ryan has only just put in 1. Genetics matter.
See, now that's some bullshit.
In case you didn't catch that, because he left the camera not on himself, he's bragging that he had to put a cap in.
Pull out my 9 and put a cap in that pig's ass.
And he's done 4, actually 3, while I've done 1. But I had to go get my shovel, plus the fact that he stole my tarp, plus the fact that putting in a new head and resetting it, making sure it's right, is not as easy as capping. I'm gonna put a cap.
In all my life.
Not an excuse, it's the truth.
That is correct.
Okay, so we've got 12 heads left to put in. Ran out of daylight yesterday and called it. We've got to, after that we got to put the nozzles in, and then we're going to run a cup test, make sure everything's adjusted, running properly. And it's early in the morning because that sun just cracked over those mountains.
How much you want to make a bet I can throw a football over them mountains? Yeah, if Coach would have put me in fourth quarter, we'd have been state champions, no doubt. No doubt in my mind.
Okay, so here's a perfect example of an issue. You see this line here, here's the crown of the grass right here, and no more than a half an inch under the lateral or supply line to the drip line. This is right here. This doesn't even supply this head. That's actually right next to it and comes in. I've already swapped that out, but that's so low that an aerator or anybody, I came in with my shovel and thought I'd hit a rock, and I clipped it right there. You can see where it lifted it just a little bit. We tested it, but there's no leaks or anything, so we're good to go. But I'm just gonna finish setting that head. But this is crazy. This should not happen. This should be at least 6 inches under the ground. Okay, so we're done. We have done all of the cup tests. We've set the timers on the sprinkler system so that they get the right amount of water. Be 2 times a week, and the zones will vary just a little bit due to shade conditions and areas that they're in, but also length of time that it takes to get down that ½ inch every time the water. Hey, thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell for any notifications on any future videos being posted. Also, like, share with your friends, and please comment down below. It really helps. And we'll see you in the next one.